So now we need to test that the starter's ready. So you get a bowl of water, cold water, a little bit of your starter, drop it in, and it should sit on the surface like that. So next you have to refresh your starter. This makes what's known as a levain, which is going to be the raising agent for your bread. So you need to put a medium bowl on a scale, set it to 0, and weigh in 300 grams of your starter. Now we're going to add 75 grams of strong plain flour again into our starter, and 75 mils of water. Remember, carefully pouring your water in. Either set it back to 0 or go up to 150. There we go. And then mix that together. And that, again, stays just covered over with a tea towel. Warm place again overnight. Cover up like so with your tea towel. Keep it in a warm place again. And tomorrow we'll have a look and we'll have our first go at making a loaf.